What's up? Wanted to make a quick video showing got another meal prep kit today. So I wanted to show y'all what it's like. So this one came from Gezzo's. It's a West Coast burrito spot, but it's a little spot that I like that's in Henry County. And for some reason they were doing the taco truck in Atlanta. So we went and got everything and I started cooking. Then I was like, you know what? Everybody would probably love to see this. So let me just start you off with what we got. So came in a little bag like this. The meal prep at home. See, we got Chipotle chicken and steak. It came with some queso, cheese, salsa, lettuce. We got black beans, chips, and our tortillas. And then over here where I started cooking, we got this is our steak and chicken and our dividend of rice that they gave us. And I was actually trying to break this up right when I had the idea that I should record this. But anyway, all I'm doing is nothing fancy. I'm just following the steps, trying to make sure, it should come out exactly how the restaurant does it. But here we go. Step one is just saying to heat the meat in a nonstick pan for about 8 to 10 minutes. So put my meat in this pan. We're gonna turn it, I had it low, but I'm gonna turn it back to medium. And then next step, same thing I'm gonna skip the flour tortillas for now. The rice, same thing, cook for 8 to 10 minutes over medium-low heat. So that's what we're gonna do. About medium-low right there. And then I'm actually trying to find the top for this one. Maybe get a top for that one too. Okay, so I went ahead, found a little top for that. What I did also is I put a little oil in the pan. I just don't want it to stick. It is a non-stick pan, but just wanted to help it out. And see, it is getting a little bit of fond on the bottom, but that's straight. When I looked at the meat, I kind of cut one of these little steak and chicken pieces open just to look at them, and they did look cooked all the way through. However, it is saying that they want you to get it to a minimum temperature of 165. That's usually the safest temperature for beef and chicken and sorts. So they just want you to be safe, basically. Make sure it's cooked to temp. So I'm just stirring these around. These looking real good though. And I need to start the beans. That's also supposed to take about 8 to 10 minutes, I think. Oh, about 7 minutes. Okay, so yeah, let me start that right now. So hold on, let's do some beans. But I'm gonna try to keep it live so you can see this process. All right, so I'm gonna push this back there. And let's use my cast iron. We're gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil. About a tablespoon. I think it's a tablespoon. Might be a teaspoon. Chicken's still doing good. Some rice getting any steam. A little bit. Let's turn it on back there. Medium low. Okay, it's on. And let's get our beans on. The timer says 3 minutes, but that's not quite right. Let's put a little top on that. And I think those are done. We're gonna turn these all the way to low. That looked great. Okay. So this is our beans. Hold on, let's see if I can get a little tripod. Okay, so here are our beans. Let's see. Oh, they look nice. These are black beans. So let's just go straight over to our pan that we got. I have it on still medium low. We're just gonna go in with our beans. And let's see if I can find one more top. Okay, and then I love these little containers. These are perfect for, of course, reason them for leftovers and especially other dishes. So I'm just washing this out a little bit, and I'll set this to the side. Okay, last thing is tortillas. So let's get this started. This thing takes a long time to heat up, so let's see what our instructions say. Our instructions say to place it on a non-stick pan for about 30 seconds per side, but I'm gonna let this heat up, so I should have had this on already. So I'll let that heat up, but we got the steak, we got the rice, and we got our beans. Let's see, we can stir the beans a little bit. Let's peek at our steak one more time. Yes, I'm using the same spatula for everything. It's all going in the same taco. All right, that's our timer to check on everything. I'm gonna, again, these smell so good. Look at the chicken. I try to keep it separate. We're still like a steak and chicken taco still, so it doesn't matter, but whatever. I just wanted to make sure the portions was good, but that looks great. All right, it's still on low, so let's just put the top back on that. Beans look like they're gonna finish up pretty quickly. It shouldn't take too long. And let's see, our rice getting some noise. Let's switch tops for a minute. Rice sticking a little bit. Okay, so let me put this down a little bit just to show y'all something. All right, so my rice is a little sticky. I did put oil in here, but it's not the best. But it's a nonstick pan, so I'm not burning anything, and I have the temperature so low. So this is good. What I'm gonna recommend is that we put a little drop of water in here. All right, so I put barely any water. I don't know if I can get that to show. Put barely any water. But what I want it to do is kind of steam the rice a little bit, and that's the point. I don't want it to make the rice hard like I'm stir frying it. So, yeah, got that in there. And then now we should start getting a little steam when I put the top back on there. But I'm gonna leave it like that for now and actually let that little water evaporate out. So then we can use our top for the beans still. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna throw the tortillas on there for about 30 seconds. I don't think I'll film that. It's pretty seamless. Flip each side, and then I'll show you what they look like when we're done. All right. Okay. I got everything set up, so now it's time to just make a couple tacos. So, oh my God. Please excuse my dog. All right, so let's plate it on up. And the good thing about making these meal kits from home is that you can tweak it to how you want it. You can use other ingredients that you have fresh from your house, however you want it. Like if you don't like this rice or you want to add something to it, some seasoning, you are free to do it. I didn't add anything because I wanted to see exactly how it was going to turn out and be able to compare it like if I were to get it straight from the restaurant. So this is the salsa they gave us. I wish they would have gave us their, they have another like mild salsa or chipotle salsa. That's the one I wish we would have got, or they would have gave us an option, but I like this one too. So, love Gezzo's. I used to eat there all the time when I lived closer, but now I live so far away and I haven't been in months. Still using the same spoon for everything. I normally wouldn't do that, but whatever. It's just lunch for me and my wife. All right, and just top it off with just a little cheese. Oops. I also have some pico de gallo that I have from Whole Foods, so I'm gonna put that on the side. But that's basically it. Got my salsa, my cheese, my meats, and boom, simple little taco. So fold these up. Boom. Recap all our stuff. Get back on the stove. Boom. And this is the final. Nothing too fancy, but very quick. It took probably about 15 minutes, maybe 20, because I was moving a little slow and I started recording and stuff. But 15, maybe 10 if I would have started moving fast. So thank you for tuning in, and like and subscribe.